Hi, and welcome to your Coalinga College Library. We are your bridge to student success. My name is Heather, I'm one of the librarians here, and today we're going to look at what to do when you have no idea what it is that you want to research. We are going to learn how to browse a database. Because look, we've all been there where you get an assignment from your instructor that says choose your topic, and the only word you can think of is the name of the class. We still have tools to help you. We're going to come over to EBSCO. We're going to choose Advanced Search, and we're going to choose Subjects. And we can see that there is an alphabetical list of different terms. Each of these terms is a hyperlink and can take us to other terms that are listed in the database. But let's go ahead and start with the word we had in mind. So I'm going to choose sociology. And it's taken me to the S's. Let's see what this link does. This link gets me a definition of the term. It lets me know that sociology is part of social sciences. It also gives me a list of different parts of sociology. I could be interested in applied sociology. I could be interested in how the Bible works in sociology. Really, this is where I can start narrowing my focus down. Let's say I'm interested in authority. And when I click on authority, I see that it's a term that gets used in both political science and in sociology, and that it has a lot of different parts to it as well. I could look at power of appointment, I could look at divine right of kings. But let's see what happens with the appeal to authority. Now, instead of following the link, I'm going to search for appeal of authority. I do that by selecting the box next to the term that I want. I scroll up, I add to search, and I see that there are 7 papers in this database that talk about the logical fallacy. And that's how we can move from a very general idea into something specific enough for us to research. Want to know more? Come by the library. We'd love to see you.